I want to let you into a little secret that most people don't tell you. And it shouldn't even be a secret because we all should know it. When we're trying to generate sales from email marketing, some very simple things we need to do first is one, look at open rate. Look, if your open rate is down 20%, that means your emails are not being seen. They're probably going to spam. So therefore, you're never going to get seen, you're never going to get opened, you're never going to get clicked, and they're never going to buy your products. So what's the easiest way, secret number one, to generate more sales? Simple, increase your open rate. How do you do that? Better subject lines. Send to those that actually have subscribed to your email list, as in opted in. Only send to those that have opened your emails the last 90 days. That way, you build up your deliverability and your trust with the service providers, and they allow you to get back into the inbox. So therefore, you get back into the inbox, more emails get opened, and you take your open rate from 20% to 40%, the likelihood is you're going to double your sales from email marketing. Number two, the issue is, because most people don't send emails. You just don't send them. You worry about pissing people off. Stop thinking like that. We get bombarded every day. The average human gets about 80 emails a day. So therefore, focus on delivering brilliant content to people, stuff that's interesting, stuff that gets them excited, stuff that actually makes them pay attention to what you do. I'm going to be posting a video more about that later.